Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about essential oils that you can add to your skincare routine. And before we get started, really quickly, I'm going to share Skin Resource with you guys again. I haven't shared them in so long. This is my holy grail, my favorite skincare brand for over 6 years now. They are clean, simple. I used them before I got into like natural living, and then they just kind of came along with me on this journey because they're clean and don't use fragrance or parabens. They're formulated by dermatologists, board certified dermatologists, and they're sold in like their med spa. But they also are available online and they're affordable for what they are. They work. Like everyone that buys Skin Resource with my code and link come back and are return customers because, well, Baobab, the holy grail of all moisturizers of all time. This reverses sun damage. It does so many things, but all of their products are just super clean, simple, and effective. And like, that's what you want in skincare, right? So I'll put the link down below, and I have a code for $10 off, which is a big savings. And then when using essential oils, you can always like add a drop or two to your skincare product that you like, the moisturizer you're getting ready to put on your face. No more than a drop or two, but you can always do it that way. Or in these essential oils that I'm going to share, you can make your own products like DIY serums and moisturizers and cleansers and toners and all kinds of things. Like be empowered to make whatever you want and use whatever you want. But these are just a couple of essential oils that are great for different types of skin and different skin concerns. So number one is lavender. This is like the holy grail, the queen of essential oils. If you don't have lavender on hand, get some today, yesterday. It's super calming and soothing. I love using this in the summertime because our skin naturally just gets too much sun. No matter how much you're reapplying your sunscreen, we personally are just in the sun all day in the summer because we soak it up because it goes away for 6 months. So I use it a lot in the summer because it just instantly soothes. If I get a sunburn, I mix some with aloe vera, apply it in the morning, it's gone. It's very healing and soothing in that way for skin, but it's also great for acne prone skin, helping reduce redness and irritation. It's really good for anti-inflammatory properties. So it's good for sensitive and acne prone skin. And it just smells so good. I haven't smelled lavender just straight out of the bottle in a while. It just smells so good. Okay, next essential oil is frankincense, king of essential oils. So we have king and queen up first, but this one is great for aging skin. It's good for wrinkles, anti-aging, fine lines, things like that, kind of rejuvenating your skin in that way. It's also good for dry skin, so adding it to moisturizer. Adding extra layers in the winter is what I really love and what I see a big difference in, the brightness and like freshness of my skin in the winter because we're not getting as much moisture. So put a humidifier in your room and also add in different layers of skin care. So what I like to do is add a couple of different toners or use 2 serums or use 2 moisturizers. My skin loves that. Or I guess mostly what I like to do is add an oil at the end to everything. So I'll add like a DIY oil, or I have a couple of favorites that just I put on top of my moisturizer, the last step, to seal and lock everything in. But frankincense is a great essential oil to add to that to kind of help boost your skin's moisture and kind of just make it look more youthful. Blue tansy is next. This is my favorite essential oil. This is a kind of floral, grounding essential oil scent, but it has some really great skin benefits too. Oh, it smells so good. I could just like use blue tansy only and like get rid of everything else. This is my number one. But anyways, all of the like super fancy skincare serums, just Google like blue tansy serum. They're really super expensive. Just buy a bottle of blue tansy. This one from Plant Therapy is affordable too, and they even make them in 2.5 milliliter bottles, and so you can get even smaller. It's like less, I don't know, like $10 less, and just make your own like oil or something. But it's helping to like calm and soothe redness and inflammation, and it just smells so good. You can make scrubs, all kinds of skincare products with blue tansy. Rose essential oil is next, and this is an essential oil that I don't have, and I have never used or made anything with it, which is crazy. I just need to bite the bullet and buy rose. It's just super expensive no matter what brand you're getting it from. But obviously we know that rose, it's also in like the bougie from department store type of products, like super nourishing, hydrating, anti-aging. Rose has a lot of good skin benefits, so great for dry and aging skin as well. And then lastly is copaiba, and this one is really anti-inflammatory. What else did I have in here? That's basically like the main thing. So it's really good for irritated or acne prone skin. Can help reduce inflammation, calm acne-prone skin. So a great addition to a skincare routine. There's a list I'll go over quickly, but I know that I'm talking fast. I don't want this to be a super long video. Go to the blog post because the list and then all of the links and information that I've already talked about will be there. But other essential oils for different skin types. So for oily skin, we have juniper berry, tangerine, grapefruit, vetiver, ylang ylang, tea tree, and copaiba. For dry skin, sandalwood, rose, cedarwood, myrrh, Roman chamomile, frankincense, jasmine, and clary sage. For sensitive skin, helichrysum, lavender, rose, frankincense, copaiba, helichrysum, rose, lavender, frankincense, copaiba. Oh, I said copaiba twice. That's in there twice. Okay. Sensitive skin, there are tons of different oils that can be beneficial. Acne prone skin, you want to keep it simple with acne prone skin. Don't overdo anything really in your regimen if you are dealing with acne. Tea tree, lavender, helichrysum, super healing and beneficial. Tea tree has a lot of, it actually like probably should have been in the top 5. And this really isn't a top 5 post, it's just a general 5 essential oils. There are so many you can see in these lists that can be used, but tea tree is super powerful, antibacterial, antifungal, anti all of the things like in that powerful way. So it's a really good, but be careful with also like make sure you dilute tea tree when using on skin. And then aging skin, we have frankincense, helichrysum, lavender, rose, sandalwood, and ylang ylang. And so again, that list will be here in the blog post. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you check out Simply Earth. This is my favorite just for body. This used to be just a regular like face, but they changed it to a pump style bottle and made it a little bigger, and it's the Total Skin Moisturizer now. So you can see it's almost gone, but I use this all over my skin. It's antioxidant and really like I cannot live without moisturizer head to toe in the winter. So anyways, check them out. Let me know if you have any questions on anything I talked about, and thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.